If you want to transform old clothes that are pilled, get one of these Conair fabric shavers. You won't be disappointed in the results of how well they work. So let me show you a little bit more about it. You have 3 height level settings, so you can have a really low cut depending on what type of fabric you're working with. I like to start off on the highest setting and then work to the lowest setting if I'm not getting rid of any of the pills. Got a little dust collection bin here that fills up pretty quickly. You'd be surprised how much you actually take off your sweaters. Got an on off button on the top here. And it takes 2 AA batteries to operate it, and they just go in the bottom here. We're going to start off on the highest height setting, just to get things started and see how well this takes off these pills. This is a fairly decent job. We're just going to drop it down on our one and see if we can get rid of these little bits here. Wow, I'd say that's a huge difference. You can see right here, there are no pills, and it's nice and smooth. You can't feel that, but over here, I can feel how rough this bit is here. I finished going over the whole sweater here. Just look how much stuff came off of it. The shirt looks great again, and there's proof that this thing really does get rid of all that debris. If you want your clothing to look new again, get this Conair fabric shaver. You won't be disappointed in the results of your clothes after you've used it just once.